10-pound test is my go-to braid. I use Gamma torque braid. I use Gamma Edge fluorocarbon. Now, 10-pound is a great all-around braid. It has it's so thin, it casts forever. You can cast across the room with it. You can, but it's really, really strong. It says 10-pound test, but man, it fishes big. It fishes heavy, like heavy line. But its castability and its workability are awesome. And that's one of the things, one of the reasons why I like it on the spinning rod. If you've ever tried monofilament or fluorocarbon direct as your main line, you know what I'm talking about. You get the wind knots, the twist, and you can get big bird's nest. You'll get it on braid too, but you get a lot less. So 10 pounds, my go-to braid diameter all around. I will move up to 15-pound braid when I'm fishing in heavy cover. A lot of times I will throw 15-pound braid and a 16-pound Gamma Edge fluorocarbon leader when I'm throwing the Dean's rig, a stick bait around heavy covered docks, docks with metal, wood docks, barnacles, zebras. When I've got to scale up my line, I go to 15. It's still very castable. But now I've got 15-pound braid with a 16-pound lead. It's almost a flipping combination. And I'll scale up my rod even my favorite rod is the Cashin 7.2 shaky head rod. It's a powerful spinning rod in that application. So, but I'll go up to 15. Sometimes when I'm in deep water, we're going to be going up to 1,000 islands real soon, and I'll drop down to 8-pound braid. And the reason why I'll drop down to 8-pound braid is because when I'm fishing at 30, 40, even 50 feet of water with current, the very, very small 8-pound diameter line allows me to get a really good connection with the bait, and the water won't push the bow in my line nearly as much with a thinner diameter. So I'll go down to 8. So 8 to 15 on my braided line, 10 is my go-to 99% of the time. And leaders, like I said, drop shotting, I'll go down to 6-pound test sometimes in real clear water, tough situations. And when I'm fishing the stick baits and heavy cover, I'll go up to 16-pound on my fluorocarbon leader. But that's the line choices for a spinning rod application. Just as a side note, I love these bigger spools, the 3,000 and 4,000 size reels. I love the 4,000s because they've got that big diameter spool. They manage line twist a lot better, and they pick up line a lot quicker. So the big reels are something that makes my fishing a lot easier, a lot more effective. So check that out. That's the lines that I use on a spinning rod. Let's look at some straight braid applications.